right, good morning or good afternoon. I'm not sure what time of the day that you are listening to this or watching this, but hello from Mrs. Belcher, and this is our phonics lesson for today. Today is Thursday, April 23rd, and this is lesson 154. All right, guys, I'm going to let you do these sounds by yourself. Remember, if you're unsure about a sound, you can always ask your parent, or you can always go back to other videos that we've done. So if you're not sure. All right, let's go ahead. What letter? What sound? 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 What letters? What sound? What letter? What sound? What letter? What sound? What letters? What sound? What letter? What sound? What letters? What sound? What letter? What sound? What letters? Hard sound? Soft sound. What letter? What sound? What letter? What sound? What letters? What sound? What letters? What sound? What letter? What sound? What letters? What sound? What letter? Consonant sound? Long sound. What letters? What sound? What letters? What sound? All right, we're going to start with the first one. What letters? What sound? 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 What letter? What sound? What letter? What sound? What letter? Short sound? Long sound. What letter? What sound? What letters? What sound? What letter? What sound? What letters? What sound? What letters? What sound? What letters? What sound? What letter? What sound? What letter? What sound? What letter? Short sound. Long sound. What letters? What sound? What letter? What sound? What letter? What sound? What letters? 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 What sound? Whew, okay, that was a lot. I think that was all of our letters and sounds that we have talked about since the beginning of the school year. All right, we're going to go ahead and read some words. I want you to do your very best. We're going to come to our sight words first. Spell those letters. Say the names of the letters that you see, and then read the word. Remember, this is our one from yesterday. This is done. All right, I want you to read those words. I am going to do just the first page with you. Here we go. Say one of those sounds that you see, and then you're going to read the word. All, small, R, sharp, ang, bang, th, math, oi, toy, or cord. All right, your turn. Read those words for me. Read those words for me. Read those words. Read those words. Read those words. Okay, read those sentences for me. Remember, we see periods, and periods, they tell us things. Those are statement sentences. Read those sentences for me. Read those sentences for me. I see a question mark on one of those sentences. That means we're asking a question. Read those sentences for me. All right, we have another new sight word today, okay? All right, let's look at our new sight word. This sight word looks a lot like another sight word that we've had. It's the one that I'm thinking about is DOES, and that word is does. But this one doesn't have a D, it has a G. This is GOES, and this word is goes. She goes to work every day. So this new word, guys, is goes. Let's say that word 3 times together. Goes, goes, goes. All right, guys, that was your phonics lesson for today. I will see you next time.